Hello everybody, my name is Richard Vigorelli and I am your guide for everything Chinese medicine. And I set it all up so us Westerners can figure it out. Now today we're not exactly talking about Chinese medicine stuff, this is going to be a little bit more Western. And it's a video I've been wanting to do for a while, just slipping mind and other things. Anyway, we're talking today about toxins, poisons, all of that stuff that is not compatible with life, which is what a poison is. Now, there's several different kinds, okay? Now, a toxin is a chemical that a organic body usually produces as it's going through its daily functions of, being alive. These run the gambit of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, amazingly. It's actually quite toxic. It's an oxidant, breaks things down, okay? But we need it to carry out certain things. It's complicated, get a chemistry book, okay? Another one that we produce comes up when we drink alcohol. It's called acetaldehyde. It's embalming fluid. Yeah. And even the pain chemical acetylcholine that tells your brain, ow, that hurt. We need to fix that. If you get too much of it, your brain overloads and you shut down. That's why when people are in a lot of pain, they pass out. Okay? Now, all of these, as they start to build up in your body breaks them down, turns them into other things, or it just expels them. That's why we breathe. That gets rid of the monoxide and the dioxide, okay? So you don't need to worry about that. The other stuff like uric acid that we produce when we break down proteins, either the ones that we made, and, well, we no longer need that, or, well, I just ate some beans and I don't need this, etc., 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 okay? That becomes urine. That is made by your kidneys. Anything that you ingest that is potentially harmful, everything that goes into your stomach goes through your liver, and your liver beats that up a little bit, stuff that we don't need, or it knows how to get rid of. It then funnels that to wherever is relevant, goes into stool, goes into urine, we exhale it, etc., etc., etc. The rest of it gets cycled around, and that's where we run into the next type. This is a poison. Now, poison is a chemical, very much like a toxin. Something has made this, probably. And did that so you won't eat it. Yeah, pretty much all of our medicines are actually poisons. We just use them at a lesser level to calm things down or speed things up, etc. because of what a poison is. It is a substance that is ingested or inhaled or absorbed through a membrane that shuts down something, causes something, or prevents something from happening. Okay? Really good one is alkaloids, plant alkaloids. All of these are bitter. Some of the larger ones come out as a milky substance. And they're found in every single one of my herbs. If you take too much of them, yeah, they can screw you up. But what they are doing is they are going to a cell or group of cells called a tissue, and they are preventing either one chemical receptor from linking and having something happen, or they are stopping a chemical from being produced, okay, for whatever reason. Now, if in the process of that, local tissues or other tissues in some other part of the body stop functioning properly, then that is dangerous, okay? If, however, it helps it to reset and go back to normal, then we call that good and it's medicine. Okay? All right. So, next up we have a venom. Venom is injected. It can come from a snake, come from a scorpion, can come from an insect, even come from a mammal. It's called a platypus. It's got venom in its heels. Nobody knows why. It just does, because it's weird. Okay? So, venom has to be injected, and it does the same thing as a poison, kind of, sorta. The idea behind a venom is either to make whatever has been injected with it easier to eat, or whatever has been injected with it not willing to eat whoever did the injecting. That's why wasps sting you, because they're trying to get you to go away so they can do what wasps do. The reason why snakes have venom, well, some species anyway, is because it makes whatever it is they eat easier to eat. Things don't like being eaten. So if it's unconscious or just immobile, we can eat that. It's easier. Okay? And that comes in contact with us. Though venoms tend to break down tissues, they tend to cause what's called lysis. That is where the cell goes like that, or just degradation and it basically melts. Really disturbing to watch, actually. Yeah. So, we have, however, because we're humans and we like playing with stuff, learned how to take something that is toxic and poisonous and all of that and turn it into something beneficial. That's medicine. That is what chemical medicine is all about. It's about taking something that is deadly and making it not deadly and actually beneficial. Okay? Now, every single thing that is toxic to the human body is naturally occurring. Yeah. Because everything was used to be cosmic dust, or hydrogen for that matter. Everything was condensed inside of a star, including you and the camera, this room, all of that. Landed on this planet, went through a few things, naturally occurring. Humans picked it up, said, oh, that's kind of neat, let's play with that. And we turned it into all of this that we now see. Everything is natural, okay? Whether or not it is beneficial is different. Okay? And there is such thing as too much of a good thing. Okay? If you drink too much water, you will die. If you drink too much coffee, you will die. If you have way too much salt, you will die. Because it throws off the chemistry that is life. If you drink too much water, upwards of a gallon, in kind of a single sitting. Well, maybe a little bit more. Depends on the individual, I'm pretty sure. The ions that are responsible for for nerve impulses going from here to here won't be able to get from here to here, and your lungs don't get the message to inflate. Your heart doesn't get the message to contract. You basically float away in your own body. Okay? And we usually have a pretty good means of preventing that. It's called, I don't want any more, I need to go pee. Okay? That's how that problem's usually solved. You can get a toxic load of milk, actually. You know the radio challenges where, come on out, drink a gallon of milk in one sitting and we'll give you a TV. Nobody can ever do that. It's impossible. Way too much calcium. Body's like, I can't use this, so it spits it back out. Okay? That's normal. If you were to get past that and actually take in all of that calcium, which, by the way, is necessary for your nerves to function and your muscles to go like this, you will actually move into cardiac arrest, and very bad things will start to shoot out of various orifices of your body. It's just kind of how it is, okay? So if you're concerned about anything, feel free to speak with a nutritionist, speak with an MD, somebody who also did not get their degree just online, actually sat in class maybe, uses science, etc., etc., etc. Even somebody like myself, happy to help you. Okay? Well, about all we got there. So if you're new to the channel, hit that big red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to leave a like and comment, ring the bell maybe, up to you. If you'd like to get in touch with me, please feel free to visit my website at vigintmed.com. That stands for Vigorelli, integratedmedicine.com. Go ahead and shoot me an email there. I'll be back later with something else, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.